Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about the new feature that we have that allows you to generate images that are less than 500 by 500 pixels. So essentially, Facebook Marketplace and shops now do not allow products with images that are lower than 500 by 500 pixels. Now we have this area in the settings section of your account. If you head over there, then you go into Facebook shop settings. You can hit generate, and what it's going to do is it's going to generate a list of products that are below 500 by 500 pixels in their images, right? So depending on how long you or how many products you have in your catalog, it could take a long time or it could take a short time, right? But you need to have all those products in Fbmfox for it to detect that. Sometimes it can take a few minutes to complete, and other times it could take 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It all just depends on how many products you have, right? So it turns out that I actually did this a few minutes ago, and it told me that there's 71 products with images less than 500 by 500 pixels. So let me go ahead and check those out. So once I click on those, it's going to take me to this page right here, which shows me a list of products that have images that are incompatible with Facebook's policies. Once I click edit on any one of the areas, I can click on images, and I can go through the images and I can investigate upon which image is below 500 by 500 pixels. It turns out that this image right here is 471 pixels by 960. So this is probably the problem creator, and I can easily just exit and then save changes. And now that disappears from my list because it's no longer violating the Facebook policy. Let's go on to the next product. Let's go in images. Well, it turns out this celery is 200 by 200 pixels. We would need to add an image ourselves to fix this one. Let's check out this guitar. So we have 400, 400, 500, 400 here. So I'm going to take out all the ones that are 400, right? So this one's 500, this one's 400. We have 490 here, and then we have 484 here. So all of these are above 500 pixels in both dimensions. And once I edited that, it's now disappeared from my list of products where the image is small. This one just hit the mark of 500 by 500, but if you want to be safe, you can get rid of those. But I'll just move on to the next one. Here we have it again. We have a lot of 400 pixeled images. All of them have 400 pixels, at least in one dimension. So you would have to add the images yourself. Let's check this one out. So this one we can delete. And the rest of them have all images that are large. So we'll just click Save Changes. So, this is quite simple. It's a simple process. You should probably run this checker maybe like once a week or once every other day after you post a ton of products. And this is going to show you exactly which listings are the problem ones, and you can go ahead and fix those. Facebook also doesn't allow any products with 0 images in them, or products with description links in them, or empty descriptions. So we have all of those settings right here for you to check out. Once you click on them, it's going to direct you to those exact listings which have problems. So these have the empty images problem for me. These 42 listings have empty description problem for me, right? So feel free to use this Facebook Shops and Facebook Marketplace control panel to your advantage, and I hope you guys enjoyed that feature. If you haven't started using Fbmfox yet, please go ahead and do so. We have a lot of cool updates coming. And if you haven't started using our software, go ahead and hit that link in the description down below. 7 days free. You can try it. After that, it's $29 a month. We're going to be adding so many more things, so it's a great investment if you plan to be an e-commerce seller for the long term. All right. Have a great one, guys. See you in the next video.